Hi everyone, it's another day, another share with Phyllis, that's me, from Mad Moody Quilting Fabrics. Alright, so I just got in another collection, but I'm going to give you a little bit of backstory, I guess, maybe? I don't know. Alright, I do have a top on. I just noticed that this looks like I have no top, but I do have a top. I hope you can see that I have a top on. Alright. So I started bringing in some in the beginning collections last year. I think it was last year. The first one I brought in was that one. So this was the panel, and then all those were the fabrics. Okay, sold out, lickety split. Just really fast. So I thought, oh my God, this is like really good. So I thought, okay, well, I'll bring in another one. So I brought in one this past February. It came in. I only have the small panels, one left. The big panel, completely gone. The kit's completely gone. The fabric, there was quite a few bolts. And there is only 3 of the 7 bolts that I ordered, not including, that's not including, there was 7, 8, 9 bolts in total. That would, 9, that's the 2 panels. So 7, the border fabric gone with the kits. Some of the other ones, the black, there was a tonal black that I had bought to go with the kit. Completely sold out, super fast. And I can't show you what those fabrics look like because the actual fabrics that are here are not the fabrics that I ordered. They did not send me the proper kit pattern. But that's the kit. And it was completely sold out. It has this border here, but the border comes out to about there. It's got a black edging to it. And I made 4 kits. They sold overnight. There's only, like I said, there's only 3 bolts left of the whole collection, and 1 panel left. So the panel that's left is the ones with these square ones. This middle panel sold, gone. So I thought that in February, I thought, holy cow, this is already selling so fast. So I decided to bring in another collection, and the collection is called Dragon's Emerald Rain. It's from In the Beginning. It's the same designer. There's 2 kits left. I made 4 kits. 2 kits are left. This is the kit. Okay. That's all the fabric in here. So you have all the fabric to do the top, and I believe you have enough for the binding. And let me show you the small panel. I'm going to move the chair out of the way. I'm going to stand up and move the chair out of the way. And I'm going to step back as far as I can go. Isn't that absolutely stunning? So let me just get a little closer so you can see. So they're like drawings. And the color is so rich. It's just absolutely beautiful. And each dragon is slightly different. Each dragon has a little bit of a difference in the drawings. So that's called the small panel. And this is the large panel. So let me step back and show you this one. It is really pretty. I mean, look at the detail. It's just absolutely stunning. All right. So those are the 2 panels. So now let me show you the fabric that came with the 2 panels. This is slightly a larger collection, so there's a little bit more to it. And this is dragons with a really, it's almost like the fire, like in a fire, it's that color. It's that orangey, flame-like color. So that's that. They also did it in a kind of a white background. It's like a gray white. It's not quite white. And then this one, look at the eyeballs. Look at the eyeballs. I mean, look at these eyeballs. Look at them. Okay, talk about creepy. And then there's this one. Now, these prints are duplicated from one kit to the next, especially the one that came in February. This kit here, this is in there, but it's in, it's like the orange colorway or the red colorway, okay? So he does some of them, but just changes the colors up. This one, I bought 2 bolts. So there's plenty. And those are the scales. This is the border. The border is really pretty. And see how you can see that there's, you have like, so the border goes from there to there, right? So yeah. Really, really pretty. Then this one is a repeat of one from the one in February, except this is more orange, the other one's more red. So same print, different colorway. And this one I think is really sweet, the little flower medallions. So this is more of an orange, like if you put the 2 of them together, you can see that this one is very orangey and this is like a reddish orange. Okay, and then the last one is this. So really nice. So like I said, these collections are selling super fast. I will put the links down below. If you want to see more of my videos, subscribe and ring the bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, and we'll see you on the next Other Day Another Share. Happy quilting. Bye bye.